I've prepared a must-watch video for anyone who loves drawing imaginary characters in Illustrator using the pencil tool. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, do you prefer creating characters using shapes, or do you enjoy drawing them freely with the pencil tool? Personally, I really enjoy building designs within the limitations of shapes, but getting those flexible, natural results with the pencil tool is just as satisfying. This time, I'll be sketching my imaginary character directly in Illustrator using the pencil tool. I'll reduce the stroke thickness to a very low value and quickly draw a rough sketch of the character I have in mind. While doing this, make sure that the stroke is selected in the bottom left corner. Once your rough sketch is ready, lock that layer and create a new one on top. Then set your pencil tool settings the way I show. After adjusting the stroke weight and color, slowly start tracing over your sketch. If your sketch looks too dark, unlock the layer, select the sketch, and reduce its opacity slightly. Then lock it again and continue drawing on the new layer. Work step by step. Don't try to draw the entire shape in one go. It will be both difficult and messy. Start with one part, then use the curvature tool to fix any points that don't look right. You'll spend quite a bit of time refining things with the curvature tool until you get the result you want. It's the same for me. I just cut or speed up those parts while editing, so it doesn't feel boring to watch. So don't get discouraged if your lines look messy at first. That's completely normal. And if you don't have a graphics tablet and you're using a mouse, it's also normal not to get perfect results right away. However, choosing the right mouse can make a noticeable difference. I personally use the Logitech MX Master. It's very comfortable to hold and has no noticeable lag, which helps me work smoothly. What mouse are you using? I've tried several Bluetooth mice before, but with lower quality ones, lag can become a real issue and make the process much harder. After drawing one finger, I duplicate it and place it on the other side. Then I tweak the anchor points using the curvature tool until it looks right. After that, I draw the lower part of the character using the pencil tool, and again, spend some time refining it with the curvature tool to get clean, smooth lines. Next, to trim the extra parts of the eye shapes, I double-click on each one, add anchor points where the lines intersect, and use the direct selection tool to select and delete the unnecessary segments. This gives us the main structure of the character. Since my character will be in light tones, I unlock the background layer at the bottom and change its color. Then there's an important step: hide the sketch layer so it doesn't distract or confuse us. I also lock the outline layer so it won't interfere while adding colors. After that, I create a new layer between the background and the outlines, and I'll complete the next steps on this layer. I draw the areas I want to color using the pencil tool, working piece by piece to keep things easy and controlled. I outline each section with the pencil tool and then assign the color. After that, I use the curvature tool again to fix any parts that go outside the lines or leave gaps. Since we're doing this on a layer beneath the outlines, everything we draw stays under those lines. And because our character has thick outlines, this makes the process even easier and more forgiving. Earlier, when drawing the outlines, we had stroke selected. But now, while coloring, make sure fill is selected in the toolbar. Otherwise, whatever you draw won't be visible, which can be really confusing. One of my followers actually ran into this issue before and messaged me on Patreon with a screenshot. They had spent quite a bit of time stuck on it, but we figured it out. So always pay attention to whether stroke or fill is active in the bottom left panel. It's a small detail, but very important. Once all parts are drawn and colored, we move on to adding shadows to give the character more depth and volume. For the shadows, I draw the intended areas using the pencil tool and choose a color that's a few shades darker than the base color. Even though shading can be challenging for many people, it's actually my favorite part of the process. Which part of drawing do you enjoy the most? Since I colored the eyes using the ellipse tool, the shapes extend beyond the outlines. To fix this, I double-click on each eye, draw a new shape underneath the outline using the ellipse tool, and then use the pathfinder tool to cut off the overlapping parts. I repeat the same process for both eyes. To add more depth, I slightly darken one side of each eye. I place two circles, as shown in the video, Then use the Pathfinder tool again to cut them into a crescent shape. Thank you to everyone who watched until the end, and a special thanks to those who support me on Patreon and YouTube. You can support me too by checking the first link in the description and subscribing to my Patreon. Every week, I share new vector icon packs in the store for my Patreon supporters. Don't miss out. See you in the next video.